it's Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I do appreciate it. I am back with a continuation of how to use my products series. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to use my pure nettle oil for a hot oil treatment. Nettle is great for hair loss. Nettle blocks DHT on the scalp, strengthens hair strands, and promotes hair growth. Nettle also is packed with vitamins, with minerals like iron, calcium, protein, silica, and silica helps with hair growth. Pure nettle oil will help strengthen your hair, block DHT on the scalp, and promote hair growth. I suffered from hair loss several years ago, and I created my own products to help combat hair loss. So today's video, I'm going to share with you how to use my pure nettle oil for a hot oil treatment. You can do a hot oil treatment every week, every 2 weeks, once a month. So I'm going to show you how to use my oil for a hot oil treatment. Okay, I wash my hair using my pure nettle shampoo bar. I like to wash my hair before I do my hot oil treatment using my pure nettle oil. My opinion is I do not want to wash off the benefits of the pure nettle oil. Nettle is packed with minerals and vitamins that will help nourish your scalp and your hair strand. So I shampooed my hair and my hair is soaking wet, and now it is time for me to apply the oil to my hair. So I am going to start on my right side. I am applying a small amount of oil onto my hair. My strands are very thin, especially when my hair is wet. And then I will apply a small amount onto my ends and work it in, as well as on my scalp. Then I will go in with my massage brush and massage for 1 to 2 minutes. And then I will repeat the same steps on the other side of my head. Now that I have applied pure nettle oil onto my scalp, I've messed up my label. Now I'm going to use my heat cap. Use my heat cap for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, I have washed all of the oil out of my hair, and my hair feels soft, nice and moisturized. I love my nettle oil for a hot oil treatment. So I hope you enjoy watching the video, sharing with you how to use my pure nettle oil for a hot oil treatment. Nettle is great. If you are suffering hair loss, you can do a hot oil treatment once a week or every other week or once a month for healthy, strong, and growing hair. So this completes this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.